Imagine if every human on Earth could suddenly run at the speed of light. That's 299,792 kilometers per second. In just 1 second, you'd circle Earth 7.5 times. A trip from New York to Tokyo, which normally takes 14 hours by plane, would take only 0.03 seconds. Forget cars, planes, or even rockets. Nothing could compete. But here's the shocking truth. This superpower wouldn't just transform our lives, it could destroy the entire planet. Let's start with air resistance. Running at light speed means colliding with trillions of air molecules every instant. The friction would heat your body to over 10,000 degrees Celsius, almost twice as hot as the surface of the sun. At that temperature, you'd vaporize instantly. Instead of looking like the Flash, you'd look like a human firework gone wrong. And then there's the energy problem. To accelerate a 70-kilogram person to light speed, you'd need about 4.3 times 10 to the 21st joules of energy. That's more than the entire United States consumes in a year. Now multiply that by 8 billion people on Earth, and you'd need more energy than all the stars in the Milky Way produce in a year. Unless you've got a galaxy-sized battery, this isn't happening. But let's say somehow you did it. Things get even weirder. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the faster you go, the slower time moves for you. At light speed, time would actually stop from your perspective. That means if you ran for what felt like 1 minute, decades, or even centuries could pass for everyone else. You could leave home for a quick jog and come back to find your city gone and your grandkids older than you. Basically, light speed running turns into accidental time travel, and the danger doesn't stop there. If just one person tripped and crashed into the ground at light speed, the impact would release the same energy as a 50-megaton nuclear bomb. That's the size of the Tsar Bomba, the most powerful nuclear weapon ever detonated. Now imagine billions of people running like that. Earth would be rocked by billions of nuclear-sized explosions at once. Oceans would boil, skyscrapers would crumble, and the planet itself could shatter. Humanity's morning jog would be Earth's final disaster. Of course, let's not ignore the funny side. Hide and seek would be impossible. You'd find everyone before they even blinked. Running a marathon? You'd finish 14 billion laps before the race even started. On a first date, you could grab flowers from another galaxy and be back before your date sat down. But thanks to time dilation, she might be 200 years older by the time you return. Not exactly romantic. Now let's dream for a second. Suppose somehow there was no friction, no heat, no time distortion. Humanity could colonize the galaxy overnight. A trip to Mars, which now takes 7 months, would take only 3.2 minutes. Alpha Centauri, our nearest star system at 4.3 light years away, would be just 4.3 seconds away. Running shoes wouldn't just be sports gear, they'd be the key to humanity becoming a galactic species. But here's reality. The speed of light isn't just a cool number, it's the universe's ultimate speed limit. Breaking it doesn't just bend the rules of physics, it breaks reality itself. So let me ask you, if you had the chance to run at light speed, would you risk blowing up the planet just to be the fastest human alive? Or would you stick to walking to the fridge like the rest of us? Don't forget to hit subscribe for more insane, what-if ideas.